All right. So today we're going to be looking at two AI humanizers, clever AI humanizer and rehumanize AI humanizer to compare how the both perform in terms of bypassing leading AI detectors like Copyleaks, GPT-0, Originality, and ZeroGPT. We're also going to be looking at the additional features each AI humanizer has to offer, do they offer a grammar checker? Do you have a free write loop? All of this. So basically, I've generated an AI generated content here, as you can see on Clouded. So I'm just going to copy a piece of the test, and I've downloaded that here. So I'm just going to copy this. Gonna copy this, right? Then I'm just gonna start. Let's start with some clever AI. Let's see. Okay. So this looks. We've got two writing styles here. We've got the casual, the simple, and the simple format. That says it said here that the best score we would get it from the cargo. So I'm just gonna use the cargo, right? Okay. So this is what we have. I'm just gonna copy this. So I'm going to check on these AI detectors to see how it performs with each. So I get a 0% score on Zero GPT. So I'm gonna move to oh okay. I'm gonna move to Copyleaks. It's 100% AI on Copyleaks. Let's check these on GPT-0. This is GPT-0. It's 97% human on GPT-0. Let's check on originality. Yes, and it's 100% AI on originality. So originality spotted the content to be AI generated. Same thing with Copyleaks. It did pass Zero GPT at a 97% score, and it also passed it passed Zero GPT and GPT-0. Sorry, it did pass GPT-0. Is GPT-0, and it also passed Zero GPT. So we're gonna do the same thing, right? For Rehumanize AI. So I'm gonna copy this once again. Copy this. Now, just to confirm, right? You can see the content is AI generated, right? So I'm gonna put this on Rehumanize. So this is Rehumanized AI by JBCONTENTLAB because I think there's another AI humanizer called Rehumanized, but this one is by JBCONTENTLAB, so you don't get the both mixed up. So I'm gonna use the Ultra, right? Let's use the Ultra. They have two writing styles. They've got the Ultra, the Sane, and the Originality AI. So let's use the Ultra. Okay, this is what the Ultra came up with. So I'm gonna copy this. Of course, Rehumanize allows you to format. You can format right away. You can see how it works, right? This is how it works. just showing you how it looks. You can't format on Clever AI. You don't have that available. So okay, I'm gonna check this on ZeroGPT. You can see it's human, 6.5 AI generated, so that's negligible. It's human, right? So I'm gonna check this on let's check this on GPT-0 as well. It's 100% human on GPT-0. Let's check this on Copyleaks. 100% human on Copyleaks, no AI found. Okay. Um, delete. Let's let text. Like, let's check this on our originality. Well, it's 98% AI on originality. But hold up. Oh, right. If you notice on Rehumanize AI, right, they've got three writing styles, and the third model specifically is for originality. So we've used the Ultra. So since we're trying to beat originality for in this case, right, the Ultra passed Zero GPT, GPT Zero, and Copyleaks. It was flawed as AI generated by originality. So let's try their originality model and see what it comes up with if it does bypass originality. So we are using the originality AI model now. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Don't forget you can always mark, right? But let's not get into that. Let's just check. All right. All right, let's count again. And as you can see, it's 99% human written as spotted as originality. Um, so if you're looking to bypass, from my observation, right? If you're looking to bypass originality, and if you're looking to bypass, right? Um, if you're looking to bypass originality, you would have to use rehumanize AI originality model, right? So so I'm just entering the send text on Copyleaks to see what it brings. You can see the originality model also passes Copyleaks, right? I've gotten the 99% human rating on originality. I've gotten 100% human rating on Copyleaks, right? Let's check what's it called? Let's check on ZeroGPT. It's also human rating on ZeroGPT, just a 9.7 AI score. Now let's go back to check on GPT Zero. Now it's flagged as AI generated on GPT Zero. So basically, right, this is why it's strictly stated uh here on Rehumanize that if you're looking basically from my observation, if you're looking to bypass zero GPT, GPT zero, Copyleaks, Turnitun, Qbolt, you're good with the ultra, right? If you're looking to bypass originality, um, Copyleaks, zero GPT, Grammarly, you are good with the originality model. But the thing is, the originality model does not bypass GPT zero. It does not bypass this AI detector, right? It does not bypass GPT. So it's basically about the kind. It's basically about you understanding the kind of clients you're working for and what you actually want to get past, right? Basically, most of the time, I stick with the ultra, right? I stick with the ultra. A lot of companies, a lot of clients, yeah, they're checking with this three, zero GPT, GPT zero Copyleaks, right? But if you've meant a client that is checking the originality, then you might want to use the Originality AI. So, in all, Rehumanize AI, it's a better AI detector than clever AI. It did get fast all AI detectors, zero GPT, GPT zero, Copyleaks, and originality. It's just about you figuring out the model you want to use and what you're trying to get past, right? So on the other hand, Rehumanized AI is not a free tool, but it's very affordable from the pricing plan when you compare it to a lot of AI humanizers out there. We've got a free plan to try out the two. We've got a starter access plan for just $2. And there's a starter plan and a standard plan. The standard plan gives you 70,000 words for $18. That's very good compared to a lot of two out there. And there's a $9 plan for 25,000 watts, which is very good too. So basically, I would say Rehumanize AI is a clear winner on this. But if you're looking for a free tool, right? If you're looking for a free tool, and you're good with just getting past GPT zero and then zero GPT, you could stick with clever AI humanizer, right? Um, yeah. So but if quality right, it's something you're really looking for, and you don't want any problems um arising with the client, right? I would say Rehumanize AI is the best choice because I mean you could always get the starter access plan for just $2 to see how it works for you before you then commit long term. So basically, that is it. And of course, oh yeah, when it comes to additional features, right? For Humanize here as a grammar checker and read breeze, right? Read breeze is more of or and what's it called now? A readability checker, a readability tool more like Hemingway, yeah. That's what we preach. So basically, this is the grammar checker. This is what it looks like. Let's see, I pasted that test, yeah. So all of this red prompts you're seeing is because my Grammarly is turned on. So if you want to use the free grammar checker, you just click check grammar, right? So basically, if you get in Rehumanize AI, you won't need to have to pay for Grammarly anymore because it's the same thing. It works exactly like Grammarly. Yeah. So it depends on what you need. It depends on what you need. So you just basically go through, read what you want to fix, and click apply fix. That's how it works. Or you just you're in a hurry, right? You just want to fix all the grammar. You just click on fix all, and that's it. And it's as simple as that. So and that's it. That's it. So thank you all for today. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and I'll see you in a bit. Thank you.